AI agents are taking over business faster than anyone expected. And if you're confused about what they actually do, you're not alone. Most explanations sound like tech talk that only engineers understand, but here's the truth. AI agents are actually pretty simple when you break them down. Companies that understand these tools are pulling way ahead of their competition. I'm Aaron, and I've spent over 10 years developing software. Now I'm helping businesses use AI to improve operations. In the next few minutes, I'll explain everything using examples so simple that a 5-year-old could understand them. Plus, I'll share real stories and data that shows exactly what's happening right now. The growth has been huge. Small companies are actually moving faster than big companies when it comes to using AI agents. Why? Because smaller companies need every edge they can get to compete. Here's what's really interesting. While big companies are still testing and waiting for approvals, small businesses are jumping right in. They're using AI agents for everything from answering customer calls to managing inventory, and they're seeing results fast. Companies using AI agents are seeing big benefits in productivity and saving money. Now, the gap between companies using AI agents and those doing everything manually is getting bigger every single month. But the real story isn't just about growth numbers. It's about what the biggest companies in the world are actually doing behind closed doors. Big companies have been quietly using AI agents to beat their competition, and the results are amazing. Let me show you exactly what they're doing. Microsoft leads the pack. Their AI agents work 24/7, automatically checking customer returns and looking at shipping bills to prevent mistakes. These agents process tons of product info to answer customer questions instantly. As Microsoft's AI boss Jarvis Barato says, these agents help employees work better, grow the business, and get more done across the company. Amazon does it differently. Their contact lens agents watch customer service calls in real time. They automatically write summaries, spot trends, and protect customer privacy by finding sensitive information. They also suggest products you might like by processing huge amounts of data about what you've bought before. Now, while these giants automate their billing and shipping, many medium-sized companies still spend hours every week on spreadsheets. But what exactly makes these AI agents so powerful? Here's the simplest way to understand AI agents. Think of an AI agent as a super smart helper robot that actually listens and gets stuff done for you. Your regular computer programs just sit there until you click them. But an AI agent is active. It can think and act, learning what you need and doing work without you having to tell them every little step. Here's how regular AI is different from AI agents. Regular AI is like having a really smart friend who knows everything but just sits in a chair answering questions when you ask. And an AI agent is that same smart friend who actually gets up and does the work for you. The big difference is that agents remember things and use tools over time, getting better at helping you every single time. What makes AI agents special is that they make decisions without you watching over them all the time. But here's what's really cool. Even though they seem complicated, they all work the same way. Every AI agent works the same way, and I'm gonna show you exactly how. It's actually pretty simple. They follow 3 steps: understand, think, act. Step 1 is understand. The AI agent listens to what you say or type. It figures out what you really want. For example, if you say schedule a meeting with the team, it knows this means checking everyone's calendars, not just writing a note. Step 2 is think. The agent figures out what to do. It looks through what it knows, checks what tools it can use, and makes a plan to handle your request. Step 3 is act. The agent does the work. It books the meeting room, sends invites to everyone, and confirms all the details. Some agents even learn from what worked and what didn't, getting smarter over time. Understanding these 3 steps helps you see how any AI agent works. But where are these AI agents actually making the biggest difference? Customer service is changing the most. AI agents now handle most basic customer questions without any human help. They answer questions, solve problems, and suggest products on websites, apps, and chat. This means happier customers and way lower costs for businesses. Creative work comes in second, which surprises most people. Creative agents write content, design images, and come up with marketing ideas. They help creative teams make more stuff faster than ever before. Shipping and delivery rank third. AI agents figure out the best delivery routes, manage warehouses, and predict when trucks need fixing. They even help self-driving cars make quick decisions on the road. Here's why some industries move faster. They have clear, repeating tasks that AI agents can learn quickly. Industries that move fast are leaving their slower competitors behind. But all this change raises the obvious question: what about the money? Companies are getting their money back faster than expected. Big companies typically make back what they spend on AI agents in just a few months. This makes it one of the fastest paying tech investments you can make. The pattern is the same everywhere. Insurance claims that used to take weeks now get done in hours. Customer service teams handle way more calls with the same number of people. Factory teams do less manual work while making more products. Medium-sized companies spend tens of thousands to start, plus monthly fees, but the improvements pay for themselves very quickly. We're talking faster work, happier customers, and less manual labor create the benefits that keep growing over time. These fast returns explain why more companies keep jumping in. When businesses see real improvements in their first 3 months, using more AI agents becomes an easy choice. The money case is clear when you can point to specific jobs running faster and cheaper than ever before. But the real story isn't just about saving money. It's about watching these agents handle complicated work that used to need human experts. Let me show you exactly what these agents can do at work. Customer service used to mean long waits and angry customers calling back over and over. But AI agents give almost instant answers on websites, apps, and chat. They understand what customers really need, solve their problems, and suggest the right products, usually fixing these on the first try. Sales teams get huge help from AI agents that find good leads and spot serious buyers before salespeople waste time on dead ends. Other agents work quietly in the background finding new customers. AI agents also manage work across different programs, scheduling meetings across time zones and running entire projects from start to finish. These digital workers handle complicated tasks that used to take years of training to learn. What they can do now is impressive, but it's just the beginning. Experts predict big changes coming in the next 12 months. 3 main upgrades will change AI agents in 2026: memory, permissions, and tools. Better memory means agents will remember your past conversations instead of starting fresh every single time. Better permissions mean agents can access the right information when they need it without seeing stuff that they shouldn't see. More tools mean agents can do way more things without asking you for help at every single step. The challenge is keeping agents safe and ethical. Humans still need to approve big decisions, but routine tasks will run themselves. The change is already happening. Smart businesses are moving fast to use these systems. Companies using that simple understand, think, act process we've talked about are getting ahead while others struggle with manual work. Early users are pulling ahead right now. You can either join the AI agent revolution or watch your competitors automate past you while you're still stuck doing everything by hand. What task would you like to automate first? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe now if you're ready to turn AI into your unfair advantage.